So I have this really loud noise happening just every time the water turns on.
The timer's turned on. I think it's from the vacuum breaker, and but I'm not sure everything is. It's turned on, but when the timers turn on, it makes a horrendous noise. So what I'm going to do is test it with both timers to see, is it the valve or is it one particular timer. So here goes, holding the button down. From that one. So turn that one off and test the other one. Let's see, and maybe it's not my vacuum breaker at all. Maybe it's actually this valve. Let's see. Hold this one down. Not really any noise this round on that side. Turn this off. Let's see what happens if I turn this one on again and let it run a little bit longer. Just holding the on button down. Turn this on. And looks like here we've got a leak. It may just be a matter of time. That may be all it is. This one really loud. Of course, we don't want any leaks there. Hand tightened it down. That did not seem to get it though. There it is. It was up top. So tighten this down here. Yep, that was all it needed. Nice, easy fix. Probably just from being out in the sun here, it might be a good idea to shade this somehow. Screen it from the damage that happens from the sun. But these every once in a while, you just have to check things out. A little maintenance. Everything takes a little bit of maintenance. But that's all it was. I can go ahead and turn it off. They were just whistling because it had a little leak. Good to go. Thanks for watching Country Maintenance. Over and out. It was really loud at night. Now it should be better. I'll set there. So I'm back again the next day because that was not it. The night before it went off again, so I had to turn off the water. Seems like it's definitely the vacuum breaker. So. One. Okay, so definitely was our vacuum breaker. Gonna see if I can clean things up. Got a brush here. And what would work better is some CLR. I didn't have CLR, all I have is some bathroom cleaner. It's the best I got at the moment. Let's see what I can do. Let it soak there. And then clean it up. There it is. Got a good brush here. And if not, it may be just time to replace the vacuum breaker. This one's probably only about a year old, but it just got that funky sound. It's a one-way valve. See, I squished it down right there, and it lets the water only go through one way. Not a whole lot to it, but it doesn't let the water come back. And it seems like it got stuck in just the right way to cause all that noise. It was really loud at night. Wake you up. It hurt the ears. And well, we can't have that now, can we? So I'm just kind of running the cleaner through here and trying to clear it out. Almost curious to take it apart and peek inside there. Let's do that. That might be interesting, huh? Taking apart the vacuum breaker. Nice here. Leatherman. Pop up the gasket. See what's inside here. See if we can take this apart. There's that. It's face down. Let's get another gasket inside here. And it looks like that gasket pretty much pushes that down like so. So the water, as it goes in, can push it down. Oh, it looks like we got a rock right there. No, that's not a rock. That's just some of the stuff deteriorated. But this will allow me to clean it out pretty good. That gasket's deteriorating already. I bet you these are about $5 or $6 for vacuum breaker. I bet you we've already got it cleared out. Pushing it up a little bit. So here's our deal. Goes in like so. And it kind of lets it not spring back up, maintains some pressure. Put the gasket back in. Let's go try it out and see what happens. These other, just a lot of calcium and mineral deposits in my water out here. Not so worried about that. Most of it's around the outside. And again, I may just need a new vacuum breaker anyway. Don't want to get too crazy with it. We'll test it out and see what happens. The water drain, that's all the stuff that came out of there. So maybe that's what clogged it up. Maybe that's what made it make that loud noise. Time will tell.
So this has a little breakaway screw. Now for your own home, I wouldn't break off the breakaway screw. It prevents anyone from taking off the vacuum breaker by accident, and if it's your own home and you know about it, you want to be able to remove it to repair it like I did here. For other situations, you know, you may need to break it off so that no one takes it off. A lot of times people, they do take them off and throw them away, and that's no good.
one side. Turn it off. Again, just letting the air out. And the other side. No more noise. Oh, we're all fixed. Yay. Good to go.